Al Muallim Umrah Group.
Al-Muallim Travel.
Al-Muallim Travel.
Al-Muallim Travel.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Dr. Nadeem. I came from England to join my brothers and sisters who came for the first time to perform Umrah. They came on 10th of February till 1st of March through Al Muallim Umrah Group, which is organized by Maulana Jafar and Maulana Nisar, and they had a very positive feedback from start from Karachi till the end. They really liked it and they were very helpful. If there any problem with any kind of problem with any maslas, and they're always Maulana Jafar and Maulana Nisar to help them. And then also I had a very positive feedback as well, and I went with them to Ziyarat, and there were a lot of good teamwork. So I strongly advised and recommended this Al Muallim Umrah group to join them. Otherwise, in here I have heard a lot of stories about different groups which have really deceived their people, and few of the group I met them, and they were not happy with their group because they were deceived by them. But I highly recommended Al Muallim Ulma group to join them, and they're very reasonable, and then you will find them very highly recommendation. Thank you.